Hey guys, it's Stephanie Pumpkin here. Hope you guys are having a great night. Hope you can like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to open up some fan mail / packages, so let's do this. Okay, we got the first one. Let's do this. So we have Sour Patch Kids, lollipops. I love Sour Patch Kids. Oh, I never tried these before. Awesome. Yeah, these are gonna be good. I can't wait to try them. Sour Patch Kids lollipops. Yum yum. Okay, let's open this one. Pull the tab. Okay. Let's see what this is. Yeah, it's raining where I live. It's like it's supposed to stop soon. Yeah. It's a bracelet. It's a butterfly bracelet. This is beautiful. You guys can see that. It's cute. I love butterflies, and I am beautiful no matter what people say. So we got that out. So we got a bracelet and the candy. Look, so now we got the box. Okay. Now let's open up the box, guys. We got ring pops. OMG. I love ring pops. There's strawberry, blueberry blast, watermelon, and cherry. These are the regular ones, not the sours. We got those. Okay, let me get my for this. Where's my knife go? Hold on, guys. Are we there? Oh, there it is. Put these away. Let's do this. Okay. We got a Squishmallow. It's Shelby. We got Shelby, the ice cream sundae, and we got Joanna is the other one. Welcome to the family, Shelby. She's so adorable. So we got a Squishmallow, we got the ring pops, we got a bracelet, and we got the lollipops. So, thank you. I hope you like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Peace. And I hope you like it. Bye.